Hi everyone, welcome to session 1 of the Healthy Oakland Families class. Today's lesson is on sugary drinks and water consumption. In today's lesson, you will learn what sugar-sweetened beverages are and be able to give some examples. We will go over the risks associated with sugar consumption, and you will learn how to read a nutrition label and figure out how much sugar is present in a drink. You will also learn what energy balance is, how much sugar there is in some of the most popular drinks, and finally learn the benefits and requirements for water consumption. So to start off, sugar-sweetened beverages, also known as sugary drinks, are any hot or cold beverages with added sugar to them. Common sugary drinks include sports drinks, soda, iced tea, chocolate milk, juice, hot or cold tea and coffee, as well as energy drinks and any sugar-sweetened waters like Kool-Aid or aguas frescas or horchata. So now I'm going to show you how to determine how much sugar there is in a drink, any drink. I will be using a 32-ounce juice drink as an example. Here's the label for our drink. It says here there are 21 grams of sugar per serving. The serving size for this drink is 8 ounces. Here's what 8 ounces looks like. This is one serving. If you were to drink this much juice, you would only be drinking 21 grams of sugar. However, I want to find the total sugar in the entire container. And according to the label, there are 4 servings in the container. That means the bottle contains the equivalent of 4 of these cups. So 21 times 4 gives us 84 grams of sugar in the bottle. So again, one serving is one of these cups, and that has 21 grams of sugar. The container contains 4 of these cups, so 4 times as much sugar. So that's 84 grams of sugar. So now we want to know how many teaspoons of sugar that is. So 1 teaspoon is equal to 4 grams. And like we said before, the container has 84 grams of sugar. So now we have to divide it by 4 to get the number of teaspoons. 84 grams in the container divided by 4 gives us 21 teaspoons of sugar in the container. Now we're going to take a look at what that looks like. So each of these cubes represents 1 teaspoon of sugar. And like we said, our container has 21 teaspoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21. So this is what 21 teaspoons of sugar looks like. This is how much sugar you're drinking in this juice. Would you normally eat all this sugar by itself? Probably not, and you shouldn't be drinking or eating this much sugar. Consuming a lot of sugar increases our risk for obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and tooth decay, also known as cavities. So how do sugary drinks lead to weight gain? Well, in order to maintain our body weight the same, the energy or calories we take in has to equal the energy or calories we take out. This is called energy balance. Consuming sugary drinks increases our calorie intake and how much energy we need to expend to burn these calories. For example, a typical 20-ounce soda contains 227 calories. We need to walk for 49 minutes after we drink this beverage in order to burn off these extra calories and remain in energy balance. What happens when we consume more energy than our body needs? That energy turns into fat and we gain weight. This means our energy is out of balance. Over time, drinking sugary drinks without increasing your physical activity will cause you to gain weight. This handout shows you how many extra calories you take in when you consume these sugary drinks. It also tells you how long you have to walk in order to burn off those calories. As you can see here, the healthiest drink option is water. Water contains no sugar, therefore it has 0 calories, and you don't have to increase your physical activity after drinking water. Drinking water has many benefits, such as increased energy and less fatigue. Water helps boost your metabolism, which can lead to weight loss. Water can also help clear your skin. help prevent constipation, help prevent headaches and cramps, to name a few. Moreover, drinking water is very important because every organ in the human body requires water to function properly. In fact, did you know our body is mainly made up of water? Therefore, it is very important to get enough water every day. The amount of water you need is specific to your weight. For example, for someone who weighs 100 pounds, the recommended daily water intake is 40 ounces. This is equivalent to 5 cups of water because 8 ounces is equal to 1 cup. You can actually see that in our previous clip. Our 100 person needs 40 ounces, and that is 5 cups of water. One cool trick to help you know how many cups of water you need to drink is to divide your weight by half and move the decimal 1 over. So for example, if you weigh 100 pounds, divide that by 2, and that gives you 50. Move the decimal over, and that gives you 5. You need 5 cups of water. Another example is 80 pounds divided by 2, you get 40. Move the decimal over, you get 4 cups. 90 pounds divided by 2 gives you 45. You move the decimal over, that gives you 4.5 cups of water. For any weight that is not a perfect 10, the math gets a little complicated. For example, if you weigh 95 pounds, divide that by 2, that gives you 47.5, which means 4.75 cups of water. That is too complicated. Just round your weight to the nearest 10, which is more easy to calculate. Fruits and vegetables have a high water content, so eating a variety of fruits and vegetables every day can help with meeting our water needs. So try limiting junk food and sugary drinks from your diet and increase your fruit and vegetable intake as well as your water consumption in order to stay healthy and hydrated.